This is a large build volume industrial 3D printer for top-performing thermoplastics. The name of the printer is Funmat PRO 610HT, and this is the largest printer in the Funmat series from Intamsys. It is designed for continuous production of parts of high-performance materials. This printer is capable of printing all high-performance filament like Ultem, PEC, PEEK, and PEEK carbon fiber. Those materials are so strong that they can, in many applications, replace metal. The large build chamber have room for really big parts or many parts at the same batch. The build chamber is heated to very high temperatures to prevent warping of very large parts. The printer is open source and not locked to use only the manufacturer's print materials, which gives access to many materials and lower production costs. With a large 610/508 by 508 mm build volume, the Funmat PRO 610HT is our largest and most feature-packed 3D printer. Its high-temperature thermal system includes a 300 degrees Celsius constant chamber temperature and two liquid-cooled 500 degrees extruders temperature with all-metal hot end. The printer do also have an API interface as we are making our way towards Industry 4.0 together with our customers. Our customer safety is of our biggest concern, and the printer have the highest level of safety, including in dedicated PLC just for security control and safety level D of the European CE Machinery Directive. The printer focuses on high-performance materials. And like any of Intamsys 3D printers, it can welcome filaments from any brand available on the market as it is fully open source. However, as Intamsys are committed to provide the best 3D printing experience to customers, we developed our own industrial filament solutions that closely resemble commonly used production materials. Our filament brand is entitled Intam Filaments. Those materials come with ready-to-print settings with our 3D printers. Our latest added materials is PA12 carbon fiber, PCABS, and PCPBT. For example, take Intamsys Ultem 1010 material. Ultem 1010 is a high-performance thermoplastic polyether amide which offers excellent strength, thermal stability, and the ability to withstand steam autoclaving. Ultem 1010 offers high heat resistance, chemical resistance, and tensile strength, and is well suited for aerospace, automotive applications, and others. Properties of Ultem 1010 is very high chemical resistance and also flame retardant UL94V0. It can be used up to 200 degrees Celsius. It is compliant for food-grade applications, NSF 51. Last but not least, we also partner with third-party filament manufacturers to provide our customers the best printing settings for their materials. All this for making our customer as productive as possible. For more information on how this industrial printer from Intamsys may fit into your production line, please feel most welcome to give us a call or drop us an email. Thank you for your attention.